Sorry guys, I didn't see the video start recording, but this is Bryce from Bryce Naden, and I'm going to be showing you my modded Subway Surfer account. Okay, see, nothing original, but it's account. Look at that. Look at the coins right there. Look at those keys and coins. Like, how? And see if I just like. I'm just gonna do mystery box. Red hat, cool. Buy. Spikes, guitar, cool. See, I could just keep buying them and my money won't go down. My money will never go down. It's awesome. See, like that box of coins does not matter. Key, whatever. I'm looking for the. Not those. I'm looking for the hats and all the stuff like. No, I don't want money bag. I don't want that either. I want to get the people. I don't want it. There, I want one of these guys, like to unlock characters. Don't want hoverboard. Don't want money bag. Okay, we're getting a bunch of crap right now. Oh, Spike's guitar. Yeah, I want Spike. That's what I want. Ooh, the alien guy's funny. Money. Okay, whatever. The G stereo, that's what I'm talking about. It's crazy. Okay, now I'm gonna run for a little bit. Now I'm gonna do a run. Yeah, I'm not tricky. Okay, now let me show you what I can do with my keys. I got tricky now, right? Yeah, see, look at this. So, I like this one. Oh, wait, but I want this one. Done. And I'm gonna use tricky. She gonna be my thug girl. I don't even know what that did, so I just clicked on it. And if I die a lot of times, nothing. I have too many keys. Who cares about dying? Right? Like if you have these keys, then you don't care about dying. Bet you don't see that much people do that a lot. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Okay, let's go. See, like like if I die like right here or something, look at. I have too many keys, so I can just save myself. Let's buy like that many. This is hilarious. Oh, I cannot look at, and I have every board in the game. Like this mod came with every board in the game. Like, it was insane. I have to agree, if it's insane. I think you guys should get it. And how to get it is download Tutu app. It's a great app. You can get mods, games for free. Like I got all the Five Nights at Freddy's franchise games for free, even Sister Location, which I think is not for the App Store. I think it's only for computers, so I might do a video on that. Might not. Matters what day. See, like guys, look at this. Like what? That's like insane. Like, bro, save me. Bro, don't need none of that crap. Don't need none of that. So I can double tap. Oh, double tap. Like, oh, save me. I'll fit through those trains. Oh my god. Nah, that's sarcastic. Not very that excited. It's like, ooh, ooh, look, ooh, ooh. It's like, I die up here. Oh, nope, just save myself. Okay, more coins. Yeah, whatever. I don't need coins. I just follow them because they tell you the right path. Oh, save me. Oh, I jumped over that train. Oh my god. Just look how much money I have. And I'm just, it's just insane. I'm just telling you guys. Whoop, down. Oh, no. Save me, bro. I'm getting saved by the cop. The cop's evil. Well, cops are not evil in real life. They're just trying to protect us. If you think they're evil, fudge you. Boing. See, I'm not very good at this game, but if I didn't have this mod, I wouldn't, like, even be close to good. I wouldn't even get close to good. See, like, when I played this regular game when I was little, I thought it was Subway Surfer, and I thought it meant I worked at Subway. I was like 5, and I said, Mom, can I get Subway Surfer? It says you work at Subway. And she said, okay, but it was really a guy running from the cop, and I was like, oh, cool. I'm running from the cops. And I was like 5. I was like, now I'm like, this game has such a stupid concept that it's fun to play. Save me, boy. Oh, come on. Yeah. Oh, come on, save me. Oh, that wall's gone. What? What? This is insane. And it's also funny because I can just beat the high score. I'm in the silver leagues just by doing this. Oh, save me. Yeet. Jump. Jump. Oh, nope. Sorry, police. I have coins and keys and crap that you can't touch me. Nope. That you can't, like, win, cop. It's gonna suck for you, but it's awesome for me. Beat this person's high score. The only way I think you could get this high is by cheating. Unless you're just like really good at the game. Should I try to be a jerk and beat all these guys' scores? If you guys want to see the mystery box and openings and stuff, I can do lots, too many of those because I have unlimited money that will never go down. And if you want to see the mystery box and openings and stuff, smash that like button. I'm so bad. If I didn't have these mods, I wouldn't be able to be this far. Well, I just went through that. That's insane. Oh wow, you die in real life. That's like... The concept of this game is awesome, but stupid. I started to stop recording for a second because look at a mystery box. Oh, it'll do nothing. Like, it's literally past the limits where I don't have enough keys to go on, and it's keep letting me go. It's insane. I think I have unlimited keys until I get past the limit where I have too much. Best time to have Magnet is in those zones. So like, I don't even have to do anything except not die. This is so funny how I can just like respawn and like nothing will happen, like nothing bad. Just try not to die now. Like it will literally get to like 1 billion if I keep going. I think after I beat this guy's score, I'll go to the Gold League. I really do think I'll get to the Gold League if I beat this guy's score. If there's another score you hacked to get there. You know, like hacked, like teleported yourself. Hey, I actually got too much where it couldn't let me. I got too much death where it could kill me. Guys, I'll see you in the next video and goodbye.